Hello guys, welcome to Edu Success 2 Crores. So today we will see about the energy sources. And if you have not gone through previous videos, please go through that. I will share the link in the description box. So let's begin with today's session. Let's start with the energy sources. So energy sources are divided into two types, direct sources and alternating sources. Direct sources are also further divided into two types, that is independent voltage and current sources and dependent voltage and current sources. Now here independent voltage and current sources are the sources where the strength of voltage or current is not changed by any variation in the connected network. So here the strength of voltage and current will not change by any change in the connected network. So here strength of voltage or current is not changed by any variation in the connected network. Let us now represent this in a circuit. So here this is represented in this manner. So this will be called as the independent voltage source. And here this will be called as an independent current source. This independent current source. And this is an independent voltage source. In circuit, the source is represented in this manner. Here the voltage magnitude is 10 volt and here the current magnitude is 5 ampere. So this will be called as the DC voltage source. And here this will be called as the DC current source. Now let's see the second one, that is a dependent voltage and current source. So here independent voltage and current source, the strength of the voltage or current changes in the source for any change in the network. So these are called as the dependent voltage and current source. So here the strength of voltage or current changes in the source for any change in the network. So this will be called as a dependent source, where the value of voltage and current will change in the source if there is any change in the circuit or elements that are connected in the network. So this is represented in circuit in this manner by diamond box. So here we will have plus minus V. So this will be called as a dependent voltage source. And this will be called as a dependent current source. This dependent voltage and current source are further divided into four types. So let's see with the symbol how this is represented. So first one here is a voltage source and it will depend upon voltage. So here you can see kV1. So means it is depending upon voltage, or you can say here voltage controlled voltage source. The source is voltage and it is being controlled by voltage. So it will be called as a voltage controlled voltage source. Next symbol will be this one. So here again we are having voltage source, but it is being controlled by current, so its name will be given as current controlled voltage source. Current controlled voltage source. In a similar manner we will have two more. So this is the current source and it is being controlled by this current. So it will be called as current controlled current source. Current controlled current source. Next will be this one. So here we are having again KV2. So this will be called as a voltage controlled current source. Voltage controlled current source. So this is how we are writing this. This is known as voltage controlled current source. So is the alternating sources. First one was direct and second one will be alternating sources. So here the voltage or current will vary with time, sinusoidally, exponentially, etc. So here strength of voltage or current may vary with time, sinusoidally, exponentially, or in any other form. So here this is represented in a circuit by the symbol this. So it can be of exponential form also. So in this manner we will represent the voltage source. So there is the time varying non-sinusoidal voltage source. There is the time varying non-sinusoidal voltage source. Time varying non-sinusoidal voltage source. And this is a time varying sinusoidal voltage source. Thank you guys. Hope you all like the session. So please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. So meet in the next session. Bye guys.